Hey Mama's Chunk, Michou here, and I help moms find ways to enjoy self-care and be the best versions of themselves with affordable beauty. Today's video is a hair tutorial. I'm going to show you my finger combing techniques on my curly hair. So curly hair, finger combing techniques. Let's get started. Okay, so this is my hair soaking wet. Then I'm just gonna divide it in two parts, just like how I usually do, even if I comb it. But today we're gonna be doing finger comb. And then now, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my leave-in conditioner. I love this because it has a pump. Take my finger and then I just rub it in between. That's how I distribute the products. Then don't forget your ends. Okay, and then after that I go in with my cream. This is the Curl Talk cream by Not Your Mother's. Taking like a penny sized amount. Once again, comb it through with my fingers, just going through the hair, and then another hand. Then last but not least, the gel. Okay, and then doing the same exact method throughout my entire head. So as you can see, I don't do the praying hands. I just put my finger through the hair and bringing it down. Yes, some hair will fall out. That's normal. If you get the same exact product, I just take 2 pumps for every single section of hair. Alright, Mama Strong, so this is how it looks like when it's done and dry. It's completely dry right now. I did all my shake up routine that you'll see in short videos soon. But anyways, this is how my hair looks like when I don't comb it, but I just finger comb it. Have a lot of volume, as you can see. I could still get some more in the back, but I'm a little in a hurry because it's school pickup, and also my son's gonna wake up soon, and also my battery is dying. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, Mama Strong, and I'll talk to you in another video. Bye.